Hi everyone, I'm Ken and I've gone caravanning. In today's video we're going to be doing a long-awaited modification to our caravan awning, and that is we're going to install the clothesline on the awning poles. We bought the clothesline from a place called Caravan RV Cables, and they were just on eBay, and the cable posted out to our address was $66. The tools we're going to be reusing today are a 10mm spanner, a 5mm Allen key, and an 8.5mm drill bit. Now we've already had a little bit of a look at it, and we tied some string from one end to the other and put the awning up just to make sure where we were going to put it. It turned out all right. Now they recommended 150 to 200 millimeters from the end. At the end of the day we've gone with 125 millimeters, and that will clear our light up there and our windows and be well away from everything. So let's do it. We've put some marks on the posts. You'll be able to see them just there. We're going to drill right in the very center there with the 8.5mm hole. So the center of there, you can see that both of these are the same. So we're going to go right there in the center. Clean up a bit. Yep, no burrs on the inside. One end. Yep, nice clean hole, no burrs on the inside. That's one job done. Okay, it's a little bit windy today. I have to hold everything down. We'll just open that up a bit. And we should be able to just poke that end there through the hole. If I can get it off, it's off. And just doing that up there, I did read the instructions. It did say to just do it up by this bit here and not by the line itself. It says just do that up as far as you possibly can. All right, so now we're just going to go down the other end. Just come down here and film this bit, Julie. So just get right in there. We're just going to tie that, do that other bit up there. Now it does say you can put an Allen key in there. It said if it's gritty and you can't do it up by hand, just to use the Allen key. Otherwise we'll just do it up to where we can by fingers. It's just getting a little bit gritty, but I think it's getting fairly tight too, so I think that's pretty good. All right, we'll just get an Allen key now. I'm just going to take that, I'll loosen that off the other end a bit so I can get this threaded in this end a little bit more. That should do. take that out of the way for a minute. How's that looking, Jilly? Needs a little bit tighter, doesn't it? It says not to over tension it, so we don't want to go too far, but I want to take a little bit of the wobble out. A little bit, just a touch more. I think that'll just about do it. Okay, it's the end of the Allen key. Now we just take our 10mm spanner. I'm just going to do that nut up to the end. Lock it off there, go down the other end and do exactly the same. Just get that Allen key back for a second. I've got the arms up because it's a little bit windy today, but so we'll just have to hang on to it for a minute. Yeah, that's nice and tight. We'll just go down the other end and make sure it's tight as well with the Allen key. Yep, nice and tight. Okay. So the arms went through the middle there, so we had plenty of gap. You have to make sure there's a bit of a gap so everything can still slide up and down in there. But as you can see, no problem. And the same on the other end. We'll put the arms back up. Okay. And there you have it, one clothesline installed. Now I'll just put the awning up just so you can see that how it fits along the top there, but there you go. Arms are down, yep. And there you have it, one clothesline installed. I might just tighten that, finish up tighten that a little bit. We'll just see how it flicks around. As long as it's not hitting the side of the caravan, we'll be right. Okay, I'm not quite sure how long that took, but certainly a very easy job to do. $66, great product. Hope you enjoyed.